Hey, what up, people? I hope y'all are doing well. I have something pretty cool to show you today. This is the Capture One vlogging camera from 90 Fun. Obviously, it's a direct competitor to the Osmo Pocket, but it does have some differences that might make you choose this over the latter. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out to 90 Fun for sponsoring this video. If you've never heard of 90 Fun, the founder and several other team members are from Xiaomi as well as other tech companies, so they have plenty of experience in this space. Inside the box, you get the Capture One vlogging camera. You get a nice faux leather case that stores the Capture One whenever it's not in use. It closes using magnets. Got a nice little rope right here for draping this over your shoulder or around your neck. And then on the bottom, we have an opening so that way you can charge the Capture One without having to take it out of its case. And then we have a Lightning and a USB-C adapter for connecting the Capture One to your phone. And then we have our USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And lastly, we have a little lanyard that you can attach to the Capture One vlogging camera. That way you can wear it around your wrist. The Capture One vlogging camera comes in 3 great looking colors. There's the classic black, the dark salmon, and then the light green color that you see here. It features a 12 megapixel 1/2.3 inch sensor and a 116 degree wide angle lens. This wide angle lens is one of the best selling points on this little camera since you're able to fit yourself and a companion in your shot whenever you're vlogging. Plus, thanks to the 1.4 inch touch display that gets bright enough for outdoor visibility, I really never had any issue seeing whatever it was that I was recording. It features a 1000 milliamp hour battery that lasts around 2 hours, give or take, depending on the mode and resolution that you're using. With that said, even if the battery does get low while you're out shooting, a simple portable battery bank with PD charging can charge the Capture One from 0 to 100 in roughly about an hour. It can record video in 4K, 2K, and 1080p at 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. Video modes include a regular video mode, up to 8 times slow motion, time lapse, and motion lapse. For photo modes, there's a 30-second long exposure mode and then a regular photo mode. Both do a great job. 90 Fun has added several features to the shooting experience that really make capturing moments super easy. This includes things like smart tracking, which works by simply tapping on a subject. There's also face tracking that works in a similar way. Both work great. These two smart tracking features are complemented by an AI setting that can be toggled on and off. It lists the type of subject you're shooting on the display and then adjusts the camera settings for that particular scene or subject. It works really well, and once again, it just makes the shooting experience really easy. There's also a 5 times digital zoom, which looks decent, but keep in mind that it's not lossless, so you'll need to be in good lighting and only use it when you have to. The gimbal has a dedicated button on the side used for taking video segments for various templates, which can be found inside of the app. More on that in just a few. Transferring clips to your phone is easy using the included Lightning or USB-C adapter. All you have to do is download the 90 Fun app and then connect your phone to the Capture One camera. Not only does the app allow you to transfer your video clips and edit them on the fly, but the app can also be used for recording when plugged into the gimbal. It gives you a bigger view of whatever it is you're recording, and it also makes adjusting settings a little bit easier. Again, this just adds to the ease of use. In fact, my wife and I went to Disney the other day and I let her use this camera to vlog with. She's not a tech savvy person at all, nor does she really get into cameras. She leaves all of that up to me. I went ahead and chopped up all of the footage and put it together for this quick little video that I'm gonna share with you right now.
We are heading into Hollywood Studios and gonna have a lot of fun. Ride a couple rides. It's a little cloudy, a little windy, but it should be fun.
So Slinky Dog was actually way too long of a wait, so we couldn't ride it. So we're over at Star Wars Land, and we're gonna check out Star Wars.
Galaxy's Edge.
We're gonna check it out. So one of the biggest selling points when it comes to this camera is its ease of use and how you don't need a lot of skill to create good-looking videos. My wife isn't a vlogger. She really doesn't know anything about cameras. She does use her smartphone a lot to capture memories, but other than that, she's not really a techie person. So I just want to get her thoughts on how easy it was to vlog with this, since she did primarily most of the vlogging at Hollywood Studios and Magic Kingdom. So how'd you like it, and how easy was it to use?
Well, I'm not used to gimbals, so it took like 10-15 minutes for me to get used to just the camera, the movement of it, looking through the settings and finding, you know, what button what does what and what setting does what. There's a lot of different settings through it, but once I got the hang of it, it was pretty simple to use. And I liked the gimbal, like it was very stable, like as we, especially during rides, like certain roller coasters we went on, I held it the whole time like that.
The teacup.
But the teacup. But it was pretty stable. Yeah.
So how do you like it, like the design and the color you said you liked?
I liked the color. It has like this vintage, like minty green look. It felt pretty comfortable in the hand. There's like these little ridges for your fingers that you just hold it really easily. And, once I got the hang of how the camera goes and how I can zoom and go up and down and side to side, and it was pretty easy to use.
90 Fun includes an AI editor that will scan each scene and frame to make cuts and transitions to create a nice montage of all of your memories. There are several templates to choose from, and all you need to do is select the number of clips needed and let the app do the rest. If you're unhappy with the cuts, segments, or the transitions, you can always go in and tweak them and change them around. To give you an example of just how easy it is to make a nice looking montage, I'm gonna let my wife create one for you.
You wanna see what I made?
The idea behind the 90 Fun Capture One vlogging camera is to take the complexity out of the shooting and editing process and let people focus on the most important aspect of all of this, which is creating memories. This small little camera is pretty capable, it's easy to use, and most importantly, it's a lot of fun. The retail price of the Capture One is $329, but there are several deals going on right now, including an early bird special for $205. I'll link everything down in the description if you're interested. For those wondering, 90 Fun also has several accessories for the Capture One, including different action camera mounts and selfie sticks to help you take your creativity to the next level. So what do you think of the Capture One vlogging camera? Is this something that you would pick up yourself or for a friend or maybe a family member? Sound off down below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you good people in the next one.